Macaulay and Asbury really does take care of their employees. They really do look out for them. In comparison to other firms, we really do have a good reputation in Central PA region of one of the best places to work for. They really care about you as a person, as a human being, and at the same time they invest time in your technical training. I really enjoy the flexibility that Macaulay and Asbury offers me. I can work from home, I can work from any other location, and I can still access all the client information, our softwares, from remote location.
I'm continually amazed with the people here. The senior managers, upper management just are so professional and knowledgeable. But then at the same time, I love that I've been in soccer tournaments, leagues, kickball leagues, dodgeball leagues, even during busy season. We've all done these things together, and so not only do I respect their technical skills, I also feel like I've become friends with them and really respect them as people outside of work as well. And it's just been awesome. It's great. Every time I come to work, I feel like I'm coming to work and hanging out with my friends while getting the work done.
I worked at another regional accounting firm for 2 years prior to coming to M&A. When comparing my time between the two firms, there's just really key aspects that kind of stand out to me that sets us apart from not only my previous firm, but really the other competitors as well. Everyone advertises a strong work-life balance, but few actually follow through with it. I think here at M&A, we're an exception. We work just as hard as our competitors, if not harder, to deliver a quality product. It's very apparent that here at M&A, we want you to have a personal life in addition to the work life.
We really hope you consider Macaulay and Asbury. Come experience the difference.
Come experience the difference.
Come experience the difference.